Wellness Wednesday, sponsored by Baptist Health.
It is National School Lunch Week, and a healthy school lunch is very important. So joining us this morning to remind parents to not take this lightly is Baptist Health's Dr. Jessica Udeogu with their Rose City Clinic in North Little Rock. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm doing great. I think this is such an important topic. We were just chatting about it off camera. Tell us why it's so important for parents to pay attention to.
Yes, because kids need energy, they're growing. We want their brain to work. We want their brain to be primed to pay attention in school. So having a good lunch is very important to that.
So if you're looking at like an ideal lunch for your kid to send to school, what would that include?
A lean protein, a whole grain, and either a fruit or a vegetable, or both if you can manage it. Yeah.
Okay, we were talking about picky kids because my child is certainly one of those. How do you address that?
Keep reintroducing a small portion of that thing that they don't like. After a while, they'll become curious, and if they see you eating, sister eating, brother eating it, they'll become curious and try it. And then just don't give up, and then patience is the key as well. Just keep reintroducing that new food, and then as a family, maybe try something new that may encourage them as well. Eventually, they'll try it, and we'll see if they like it.
I hope so. So not every family has the option to pack lunches, obviously. Right. What's your advice for parents that have to rely on school meals to make sure that those kids get the good nutrition? And with that being said, we did have Little Rock School District on yesterday, and they have great options, but maybe not every school has that.
Yeah. So you can address it in a couple of ways. At baseline, schools typically really do try to adhere to a good nutrition standard overall, and then also practicing with your child to make sure that they're making good and healthy selections. And then just keep doing that and just reiterating what you have for lunch today, what was available. And then as a parent, you can even request the menu and see what's on there. And so you can either put in your opinion about maybe add this to help the school district or help your school make better lunches if you see gaps in there.
Yeah, so the work starts at home. Well, thank you so much, Dr. Udeogu, for joining us this morning. Certainly answered some of my questions I have myself. Of course, if you need to get in contact with Baptist, you can just go to their website or give them a call. That information is right there on your screen.